All right, $1 coin search today. This is the one I'm looking for, the Changeover Coin. $18 to $65 each is a recent selling price range. It's from the year 2016 and only 560,000 were produced. And yes, it's the 50th anniversary of decimal currency. So in Australia, decimal currency started in 1966 and this commemorates 50 years since that happened. So let's see if we can find one of those coins. Even better, if you find one with a C mint mark on it, $200 to $479. They're even rarer. Only 5,000 of those were produced. So there we go. There, the coin list. But we've got a coin search right here. So let's get the bag into position. We've got the roll right here. Got the kangaroos. Got the Damascus steel to search the roll. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Coins are out and away we go. Look for all sorts of things on these $1 coins. Little blobs of metal and the low mintage dates. But yeah, the 2016, we're looking for a 2016. Oh, that is a 2016, but it's not the commemorative design that we're looking for, which is the Changeover coin. So they made a fair few of the kangaroos design, that one there, but we're looking for the other one. But this Anzac coin, a little bit dirty, but these Anzac coins, if it's not a 2014, it is worth holding on to. So that one is a 2018. So a recent selling price range on these, $2.50 to $6. There you go, a keeper. Oh, this Volunteers coin, pretty rough condition, but these Volunteers coins from 2001, I just checked the list, $2.30 to $35. So this one would be at the lower end of that price range in that condition, but still worth holding on to. $2015, this could be an Anzac. No, just check the list there. So 2015s can have a missing leg. So when I'm talking about the missing leg, you're looking at this kangaroo right here, the third one down, and this leg at the back here, see that leg through there? Sometimes it's totally missing on these 2015 coins. So $2.90 to $20 if you find a missing leg on a 2015. Here we go, another keeper, Volunteers coin from 2003. So a couple of Volunteers coins in this roll. $2.80 to $32.50. Cool. This next one looks like it might have had a little blob somewhere, I'm not sure. No, not seeing a blob. 2016 again, let's see if it's a changeover. No, it's not the changeover one we're after. Another 2016. Oh, that one might have had just a slight little bit of extra metal on the back of that second kangaroo's neck through here. Is it catching? It's not really catching, so it must be just a bit of dirt. Yeah, just a bit of a smudge of something. 1984, that's a pretty fresh 1984 $1 coin, isn't it? The first year of coins, $1 coins produced for Australian circulation. Cool.